Let's see how to upload MySQL database in Hostinger. Log into your Hostinger Edge panel. Now here you will see the hosting section. Click on Manage from here. Now select the domain for which you want to create and upload database files. Now click on Databases from here. Select Management. Now add your database name here, MySQL username here, and then MySQL password. You can use any name for all of these, and after that just click on Create from here. And as you can see that our database is now created successfully. Now scroll down from here and here you will see your database. Now click on Enter PHPMyAdmin. Now to upload our database, from the top just click on Import. Now click on Choose File. Now select your database file from here and then click on Open. Now scroll down to the bottom and then click on Import. And as you can see that our database is now uploaded to Hostinger. The size of my database was less, so that's why it uploaded quickly. So this is how you can upload database in Hostinger. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.